Appealing Social Security claims, take one. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, I'm Eddie Farah, and welcome to The Legal View. With me here today is Mr. Bruce Feifer, who supervises our Social Security Department. Bruce, I know you've been working in that department for a long time, and we've learned by doing this kind of work that a lot of people really get turned down initially when they file for SSD. In your experience, what are the success rates that you've been able to accomplish in handling appeals of these denials?
Well, the success rate we are finding is about 65 to 70% of our cases that are taken have a successful outcome at a certain stage. What happens is that each time that you appeal the case, there is a review by a different panel of people, either at the Social Security Administration or eventually by a judge. So it's kind of a fresh face reviewing the records. Additionally, cases develop along the way. Certainly once we get involved in the cases, we're writing to doctors to get certain opinions, as well as getting medical records to help build the case. And also guiding clients along the way with regards to potentially what information they need to get from their doctors to go ahead and substantiate their disabilities. A doctor just saying that you cannot work, unfortunately, isn't enough to just be picked up for disability. There has to be testing, either on physical examination or MRIs or X-rays that basically support the doctor's statements. And oftentimes, the hearing is the stage where even if the medical records are weak, the judge can actually see the person and correlate with those medical records their physical disabilities. So that oftentimes helps and is the time where many cases are overturned. The same rules are used and guidelines through each of the stages, but it's just different people reviewing it and different information developing as the case goes on. That oftentimes goes ahead and results in the more positive outcome.
Yeah, that's a good point. I mean, the person has that same illness at the initial stage and even at the appellate level, but as you said, it's the information that's provided and the way the case is presented by the attorney that can result in a successful outcome.
Exactly.
Well, that's some good information, and we appreciate everybody watching The Legal View, and if you have any questions about your Social Security claim, feel free to call Farah Farah. Thank you very much.